Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Tuesday, August 15th, 2023. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. Wanted to show you guys we're offering for a limited time only 25% discount on all of our subscription services. Just type in discount code there, hit apply, and it takes 25% off. That's on our web page under register. Okay, and let's get back to home here if we can, and there we are. Okay, we're going to go through a few things here, get a quick update for our YouTube subscribers, get them caught up with our monthly subscribers who get reports every day. We've done the past 2 days, pre-market and post-market. Well, let's start with the US 10-year because it's doing some interesting things with Japan or China's surprise rate cut and all that going on, but these all have their own wave counts. So let me zoom this in here a little bit. Let's get rid of that to make it easier. Okay, we have 5 waves up completed with the one with a circle around it, an A down, a B up, a C down. C gained a perfect equality with A, and that was wave 2. You can see what the third wave's doing. It surpassed that first wave high, so this thing is going. Okay, so we should expect higher and higher highs with this third wave. Let me get an extension tool on here. See if I can get pretty close to that 3.729. That's within a hundredth of a point. And the 4.204. There we go. And down here. Okay. So this third wave will gain equality with wave with wave 1 at 4.432. You can see our other targets up here. The 1.272 is 4.562. The 1.414 multiple is 4.629%. And the 1.618 multiple is 4.726%. Remember, on the bigger picture, the third wave at a larger degree of trend gains equality with 1 above 7%. So that's what we're looking at there in the US 10-year. I want to get to the Qs because we touched base with them the other day. You can see the Qs here. We're looking from that B wave high, which was on the 19th of July. Not all indexes top on the same day, nor do they bottom on the same day, nor do they decline the same amount in a bear market. Usually the NASDAQ leads on the way up, leads on the way down, and the Qs are a function of that. Okay, we've got a 1 down, a 2 up. We've almost reached the 1.618 here with wave 3. Then we'll get a 4 up and a 5 down once this is complete. Could call this 3 right here where it gains equality with 1 at 371.59, but that fourth wave would overlap. So we're looking at a little bit lower low there for the Qs. Okay, wanted to get into the S&P. Just show you guys again how the market went nowhere in 16 months. Okay, there's the all-time high, there's the A wave low, there's the B wave high. Again, symmetry as far as time goes between wave B up and wave A down within one trading day. There's our wave C targets, and that's the bigger picture. And wave B at 4 degrees of trend, the market topped here. Wave 5, wave C, the larger wave C, and wave B. That is a daily chart of the S&P. We'll move over to the hourly, and you can see here, wanted to show you guys that we cut those 3 waves down after that first wave up. So we knew we'd get 5 more waves up, and we did. And you see them there. So that gap was closed. This gap was just closed today. I'm going to move that over here. Put the closed ones on that side. Okay, so we've got a few more here. These will all be closed in wave C down. Okay, that's the hourly. And let's jump you guys into our pre-market open this morning. I think we missed a couple days, but we'll just get you caught up with what we've gone through recently. By the way, I'll be out of town, out of the office Friday and back on Monday, so I'll miss one day there. But here, wave 2 top, wave 3 down. There's wave 2 top right there. It went between the 618 and the 786 at 45.17.75. We give our wave 3 targets, and here's our parameters. This needed to hold. A move above here would give us bullish targets. A move below here gives us the wave 3 targets. Put this out pre-market open. There's where the market was, and there's that 618 was achieved up here, and there's that actual high for wave 2, and then there's, I think, our parameters. Yeah, here we go. The 44.59, a move below 44.59 brings our wave 3 targets into play, and there are the wave 3 targets there, and that was the pre-market open. And let's get into the ES. I think we'll go, okay, let's do this one because it's got a lot on it, but there's a B wave high. There's a couple different counts here, a couple different ways to count this, but basically we've got a 1 ending down here. The alternate had a 3 and a 4 and a 5. Okay, then we got to move up, so we have wave 2 up here, and here's our wave 3 targets. We've got several direct hits within 1 point on that B wave high, within 2 3/4. That one's a little bit more off, 6. That one's about 2. And here we are. This is these targets here to the downside. That is on the hourly chart. Okay, so let's move a little closer. I think I want to get into this wave 2 high here. Let's see if we got that on there. Yep, there it is. The wave 2 high, 45.44. We've got a 1 down. We've got a 2 up. There's our wave 3 targets that we showed you guys. This is what happened since we hit that pre-market open report. We've got a 1 down, a 2 up. Wave 3 is in progress, and that's the larger wave 3 right there of the 1 in parentheses, 2 in parentheses. We can get, I think I've mentioned that this 1 and 2 in the post-market close that we just sent out. Let me get to that if I can. We'll get to the post-market close, market close report, put that right at the close, which was just a little bit ago. Anyway, there's that is again. There's wave 3 down is confirmed because we got that move below the wave 1 low of 44.59. There's those targets there, and then the low so far hasn't reached them. It's just in the beginning stages of wave 3 with the parentheses around it. There were our targets and parameters. There's the low so far, and I think I said yeah, resistance is at the 44.91 wave 2 high and 45.75 3/4 high. That's first resistance. That's second resistance up there, the second waves. I think I put that wave 1 and down, wave 1 down and 2 up here complete. There, wave 3 gains at 44.43. If we can get in that chart, and this is that same chart, let me get into that chart there. I don't know if I can get this on the exact dollar, but if you want to micromanage this, which I do when I'm day trading, which is every day basically. There's one, there's 44. That's pretty close. This might be off by a little bit, but you can see there's 44, 42.50. I think I said 44.43, so I might be off by $1 there, and I sure messed that up, didn't I? Let's get back there. Let's get back. My apologies. Let's make this the hourly. Hit the wrong button. Bear with me while I straighten that out. And that is not good. Okay. Anyway, here, that's the 1 minute. That should be the 10 minute, but it's not. Let's get into the hourly here. Bear with me. There's the 1 hour. Let's get to the 10 minute. That should be it. And 10 minute. See if that comes back. There it is. Okay, so there's the 1 down, there's the 2 up, and that 3 I have it within the larger way through the parentheses at 44.42.50. And what did we have it exactly Yeah, 44.32. There's the other targets there. So we'll watch this unfold. Again, resistance above at the wave 2 high of 44.91, and the larger wave 2 of 1 larger degree at 45.17 should hold any moves higher, and otherwise we're looking for a move down to our wave 3 targets. Wave 3 can take on any multiple. Typically it does a 1.618, so we'll see what happens. Okay, our YouTube subscribers are all caught up, and until next time, take care everyone.